So here's how we can look at the deleted files on the iPhone. Let's begin. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on the iPhone, we have plenty of different places where the so-called recently deleted folder is present. For example, inside of the Photos application, when you delete a picture, it doesn't disappear fully right away, but it just gets moved to the recently deleted folder, right? So you go to the collections and check out that folder, right? You might need to scan your face to get inside, but you'll be able to see those pictures which are like available to be retrieved if you need them, right? But after the 30 days, they are going to be gone for good, right? But Photos app is just one example. We have the same thing inside of the Files app as well. When you go to the tap the left arrow to go back to the locations, one of them is the recently deleted folder. And again, you have the ability to retrieve those files. It just goes on, right? You have the same thing inside of the Notes app, inside of Messages, and even third-party apps support that, right? So deleted files can be located within those recently deleted folders, and you can then decide to permanently delete them or retrieve them back to the regular storage. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find the files that you are looking for. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos similar to this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.